Do you know how to optimize your body's water absorption? Allow me to share with you a list of 10 tips that could help you improve water absorption and maintain your hydration. Firstly, make a point of staying hydrated throughout the day. Consistent water intake helps maintain hydration levels and bolsters your body's ability to absorb water efficiently when it needs to. Secondly, consider drinking water with electrolytes. These include sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which regulate fluid balance in the body and boost water absorption. You can get these from electrolyte-enhanced water or supplements. Thirdly, consume water-rich foods. Foods with high water content, like certain fruits and vegetables, contribute to your overall hydration and aid in water absorption. Next, optimize your electrolyte balance. Keeping the right balance of electrolytes is vital for efficient water absorption. A balanced diet rich in electrolytes can help maintain this balance. Moving on, avoid excessive diuretics. Substances like caffeine and alcohol increase urine production and can lead to dehydration, hindering water absorption. Also, consider the temperature of the water you drink. Some people find that warm or room temperature water is absorbed more quickly than cold water. Try different temperatures and see what works best for you. Ensure proper hydration during exercise. It's important to replenish fluids lost through sweat to enhance water absorption. So drink water before, during, and after physical activity. Stay hydrated in extreme conditions. In hot, dry environments or at high altitudes, the body loses water more rapidly. Increasing your fluid intake in these conditions supports optimal hydration. Pay attention to your hydration status. Listen to your body's signals and drink water when you feel thirsty. Your body is smart, it knows when it needs more fluids. Lastly, address any underlying health conditions. Conditions like diabetes or kidney disease can affect water absorption. If you have any health concerns, seek advice from a healthcare professional for personalized hydration advice. By integrating these tips into your daily routine, you can optimize the absorption of drinking water in your body, helping to maintain proper hydration levels. Remember, every step you take towards enhancing your water absorption contributes to your overall health and well-being.